three.
My dear students, I hope you are well. This is Romanani Rai, lecturer in English, Madarganj Technical and BM College, Thakurgaon. Dear students, you know that COVID-19 coronavirus is very dangerous for human being. COVID-19 pandemic is not only in our country, but also it is many other countries in the world. So you stay at home, wash your hands, don't touch your eyes, nose, mouth without wash your hands. When you will go outside from your home, you must use a mask and maintain social distance. Dear students, I hope you will be glad to know that your first year class has started through online. Science and technology gives us many advantages. You will read English, you will read vocabulary regularly because English is an international language. More than half of the world people speak in English. In our country, English is considered second language. So, you will read English daily. At first, you notice what is your syllabus, what types of your syllabus. You are students of technical and BM college, so your marks distribution is different. You will see in your final exam paper 60 marks. Here, final assessment 60 marks, continuous assessment 40 marks. 40 marks means 40 marks will be held in our college. 60 marks here divided into three parts. Part A, seen comprehension and unseen comprehension, 18 marks. Part B, grammar, 24 marks. Part C, guided writing, 18 marks. সুপ্রিয় ছাত্রছাত্রীরা, তোমাদের ফাইনাল পরীক্ষায় মার্কস থাকবে 60 মার্কসে এবং বাকি 40 মার্কস থাকবে কলেজে। এই নিয়ে সর্বমোট মার্কস তোমাদের হবে 100 মার্কস। You will read English very carefully. Here, grammar is very important chapter. Your first chapter is chapter 1. Sentence and comparison of adjectives and transformation sentence and comparison of adjectives and transformation of sentences. It is your first chapter. You know what is sentence. Sentence. What is sentence? Sentence, a word or a group of words which make a complete sense, is called a sentence. Such as, we have solved this problem, he is too weak to walk, etc. According to meaning, sentences are of 5 kinds. You know, assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, optative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Dear students, you will buy your book soon, and thank you for watching and listening my class.
Stay home.
Stay home and take care of your health.